Hi, this is your politics tutorial on separation of powers. Separation of powers is basically a very important thing to understand when learning about how government works. It was first proposed during the Enlightenment by Baron de Montesquieu. Basically, it says that government should be split up into three parts: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. The executive is the prime minister and cabinet. Their role is to propose laws into Parliament or Congress. In the United States, have a president, which is which is elected separately from the legislature, whereas in the UK, the prime minister and cabinet is elected at the same time as the legislature. The legislature is basically in the UK, it's Parliament; in the United States, it's Congress, um, and it's split up into two halves if it's a bicameral system, and that is in the UK with the House of Commons and the House of Parliament. In the United States, they have the House of Representatives and the Senate, and they vote on the laws that are proposed by the executive. And thirdly, there's the judiciary. Recently, we've just had a Supreme Court set up in the United States. They've had that since their constitution was written. And basically, the reason why the judiciary have a role in making laws because say they are presented with a case, or they're asked to decide on what a law is, then if there's that black hole, then they can fill it up by making a law. For example, in the case of Shaw versus the DPP, um, they said that it was now a law to that you're not allowed to corrupt the public morale, and it was a case with a prostitute directory. So yeah, that's basically your brief tutorial on the separation of powers. I'll come up with a few more tutorials soon and a few more news stories soon.